I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace. Open PowerPoint and pick a template or blank presentation so you control layout from the first slide. Once done, set the slide size to 16:9 and choose a theme that fits your message. This saves time when you add content. Make sure the ribbon and slides pane are visible so you can switch views quickly. Now you're ready to add titles, body text, and the first image. Do that on slide 1 to anchor your structure. Now add your core content and visuals. Start with the title and content layout. Type concise headings and use bullet lists for clarity. Insert images, icons, or charts and use align, distribute, and the grid to place elements precisely. That keeps slides readable. Once you have several slides, edit the slide master to set consistent fonts, colors, and a logo so changes apply everywhere. Make sure to save regularly and use descriptive file names to avoid confusion as the deck grows. Finish by polishing transitions, checking animations, and rehearsing with presenter view so your notes and timings flow. Once the deck looks right, export as PDF for handouts or MP4 video if you need a self-running presentation. Make sure to compress media to reduce file size. Finally, test the file on the target device and verify fonts and embedded media work. If something breaks, rebuild the slide master and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.